Hello and welcome to Meditation with Steve. My name's Steve and I've been practicing meditation for over 25 years now. And for many of those years I've had the privilege of guiding small groups here in East Yorkshire. And this recording is simply an extension of that quiet work. If you've never meditated before, you're in exactly the right place. There's nothing complicated here, no special beliefs are required, just a few minutes set aside to breathe and allow the body and mind to settle. If you're busy, tired, or feel you don't really have time, well, that's often when meditation helps you the most. Even a short pause can make a difference. So, wherever you are listening from, at home, after work, perhaps even in a quiet corner somewhere, just allow yourself these next few minutes. Okay, let's begin. For this first meditation, we'll simply focus on relaxation and gentle awareness of the breath. It's about 10 to 12 minutes long, just enough time to let the body settle and the mind begin to slow. Find somewhere to sit comfortably. It's best to sit rather than lay down because you may fall asleep. If you do want to lay down, of course, that's absolutely fine. Then perhaps set your alarm for about half an hour just in case you nod off. Now, please don't operate machinery or drive during this meditation and try to remove chances of being disturbed where you can. Although it's best to close your eyes because, well, this helps your concentration, you can open them at any time. Are you ready? Fantastic. I want you to breathe normally. Don't force it or do anything different, just normal, gentle breathing. As you breathe in, I want you to really feel the air passing through your nose or your mouth, and just allow your abdomen to gently expand. There's no need to force it, just a natural widening as the breath arrives. And as you breathe out, let your body soften. So breathing in, allow your tummy to expand, to get bigger. Feel the air entering your body. Breathe out, feel your body go soft and your tummy relaxing. Don't force your breath, just breathe normally. Now we'll begin to gently relax the body, starting with the shoulders. And this is the place where many of us hold tension without even realizing it. And I'll remind you of your breathing and your shoulders throughout the meditation. If you need to move your arms to relax your shoulders, well, that's fine. This is where we carry so much of our tension. If you need to move, by the way, during your meditation to get comfortable, that's fine. But the more still you can be, the easier you'll find it to relax and be in the moment. So let's do your final adjustments now to make sure that you're comfy. Okay, let's check your breathing. Nice and gentle, expanding your tummy on the in-breath and soften your body on the exhale. If your mind wanders during the meditation and you start to think about everyday things like your shopping list or what's for tea, then return your mind to feeling your breath entering and leaving your body. Okay, let's relax the muscles in your head. Your facial muscles relaxing quite naturally. Moving down to your shoulders, let's check them again and allow them to drop and relax. Your arms should be in a comfortable position and your hands in a relaxed place on your lap. I'd like you to feel your back melt comfortably into your chair, and your tummy should be moving gently as you breathe. Your legs should be in a comfortable position now, and you ideally should have your feet flat on the floor. So now your body should be relaxed and your breathing gentle and completely normal. Don't force or regulate your breathing in any way. Feel the tension drift away. And now, if you're comfortable in doing so, I want you to allow your imagination to carry you and find yourself in the countryside in a beautiful green meadow. It's a lovely, warm summer's day with a blue sky. Take a look around you at the grass and look down. See the tiny, colourful flowers on the ground. Flowers of pale blue and yellow, of white and red. In your mind, smell the air, clean and fresh. This is such a tranquil and peaceful place. It's a safe place where you can visit time and time again. We'll take a gentle walk now along the meadow, and walking is so very easy. You can hear the song of the birds in the distance. You can see hills a long way in front of you, bathed in that beautiful sunlight. Walking is such a pleasure, and you can feel the warmth of the sun on your back. Now, just in front of you on this well-trodden path, you can see an old wooden bench-style seat just near the path. And you decide to sit for a few moments to enjoy this beautiful summer's day. As you place your hand on the seat next to you, you can just imagine how many people have sat here over the years, rested and enjoyed the view. You feel at peace here, completely safe, completely at ease. You notice now that the sun is getting a little lower in the sky, and it's time for you to return. You stand from your country bench and take a final look around you. Has anything changed? You start your gentle walk back to the centre of the meadow, feeling grateful for the opportunity to walk in this glorious countryside. The sun is now low in the sky, and you can see the most beautiful colours in the sky, the oranges and the pinks and the golden rays from the sun. The scene in front of you fades now, the meadow slowly melts away, and the sky fades from view, and you find yourselves back in the room. You can feel the chair beneath you and the floor beneath your feet. You can move your toes and fingers gently to bring your awareness back to the room. And when you're ready, and only when you're ready, you can open your eyes. Welcome back. Now I just want you to take a moment to notice how you feel now, perhaps a little calmer or a little lighter, or simply more present. I hope you enjoyed the experience of this short meditation. With some attention to your breathing and keeping your body nice and relaxed, you can do this meditation anywhere where you won't be interrupted, and you can take 5, 10 or 15 minutes for this type of very simple relaxation. With regular practice, even short meditations like this can make a meaningful difference. And you can try some longer and slightly different meditations, which I will be putting on my YouTube channel very shortly. If you found this helpful, then you're very welcome to subscribe so you can easily find the next meditation in the series. Many, many thanks, and I hope you can tune in again soon. take care, and my very best wishes.